Update graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted GPU drivers are a common cause. NVIDIA https://www.nvidia.com/download/index.aspx AMD https://www.nd.com/en/support. Steps. Open Device Manager Display Adapters, right-click your GPU update driver. Or use GeForce Experience, NVIDIA, or AMD Adrenalin software to update. Do. Use the Ignore Pipeline Cache Launch option. This command tells GTA 5 to bypass the problematic graphics pipeline cache. Steps. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher. Right-click GTA 5 properties in the Launch Options field, add diff, copy, edit, ignore pipeline cache. Launch the game and check. 3. Delete settings.xml and rebuild cache. Corrupted config files can cause errors. Steps. Go to Copy, Edit, Documents Rockstar Games GTA V. Delete settings.xml. Optional, delete the cache folder in the same directory. 4. Verify game files. If files are missing or corrupted, this will fix them. Steam. Go to Library, right-click GTA 5 Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity. Epic Games. Go to Library, click 3 dots on GTA 5 Manage Verify Files. 5. Lower in-game graphics settings. Use normal or high instead of very high or ultra to reduce GPU load. 6. Roll back or reinstall graphics driver if issue started after update. Sometimes new drivers introduce bugs. Device Manager Display Adapters GPU Properties Driver Rollback Driver. 7. Disable overclocking if any. GPU-CPU overclocking may cause instability. 8. Reinstall DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables. DirectX https://www.macros/download/en-us/downloads/id=sign35. Visual C++ https://lerin.macros/en-us/cpp/wndws/latest/support-vc-radist. No. Reinstall GTA 5 last resort. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall the game. Rename or delete dxgi.dll if using mods or reshade. If you've used reshade, ENB, or other graphics mods, they may leave dxgi. DLL or similar DLLs in the game directory. Steps. Go to the GTA 5 install folder. Look for these files: dxgi.dll, d3d11.dll, reshade shaders folder. Rename or delete them temporarily and try launching the game. 11. Disable Vulkan API if applicable. GTA V doesn't natively use Vulkan, but some overlays or mods can force it. Disable any Vulkan layers or overlays, especially in tools like MSI Afterburner or Reshade. 12. Disable full screen optimizations. Sometimes Windows full screen optimization feature causes compatibility issues. Steps. Go to GTA5.x, right-click Properties. Under the Compatibility tab, check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. 13. Set GTA5.x to run as administrator. Steps. Right-click GTA5.x Properties Compatibility. Check Run this program as an administrator.